Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular for downloads. Once done, open the App Store app and tap the Search tab to begin. You can also explore Today or apps for curated picks. You need this setup so purchases and downloads complete without interruptions, and so your app library syncs across devices. Now tap Search and enter the app name to move to the next step. You'll now narrow choices. Type the exact app name or strong keywords and glance at categories or top charts to filter. Tap an app card to read the description, view screenshots, and scan the version history so you know what changed. Make sure to check the developer, ratings, and reviews to judge reliability. Look for required iOS version and any in-app purchases. Once you're confident, tap the price or get button to initiate install and authorize if prompted. You'll complete the process by tapping Get or the purchase price, then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The app downloads and installs automatically. Once installed, hold the app to move or delete it and visit your profile to view purchased apps or pending updates. If something goes wrong, check available storage and Wi-Fi, restart the iPhone, and sign out, then back into your Apple ID to refresh permissions. This usually clears download or authorization errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.